Welcome to the skunk work. Alright, this is a new project here. Can you see what's going on here? Can you redesign this to make it a better mousetrap? Just look at the video, put in the comments how you can improve it, what's wrong with this, and voice your opinions, your thoughts. How can you re-engineer this? Now, after I see all the comments there, we will design and make this. Maybe we use your opinion, maybe not, but that all depends on you guys participating. Redesign this, make it a better mousetrap. What is it? Use your imagination, use your creative engineering. In other words, in the corporate world, it's called reverse engineering. Can you reverse engineer this? I don't know. Let me know.
I'm a machinist, a skilled worker. That's who I am. I operate the tools that shape the metal. Like a masterful plan, I cut, grind and shape and drill. Precision is key in the manufacturing world. My work sets the industry free, yeah. My work sets the industry free. 'Cause I'm a machinist, a hard-working man. I make sure the machines run just as they can. I'm the backbone of the factory. The gears and motions keep production running with my skilled devotion. Well, I'm the one who keeps it all running, smooth and true, maintain and repair it. It's all part of what I do with my hands. My mind is sharp, I've got a strong back and a steady heart. I'm a machinist, a hard-working man. I make sure the machines run just as they can. I'm the backbone of the factory. The gears and motions keep production running with my skilled devotion. I'm a master of my trade. Work through the night if that's what it takes. Get the job done, I'm the one who makes the parts right. I'm a machinist and I do it with pride. I'm a machinist, a hard-working man. I make sure the machines run just as they can. I'm the backbone of the factory. The gears and motions keep production running with my skilled devotion. I may not be a singer or a star, but I'm a machinist, and I'll work from dusk till dawn. I'll keep the machines running and the factory humming, 'cause that's what a machinist does, and I'm proud of what I become.